Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y20s, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, hold power key, and when you see the boot options, you want to hold power off. This will in turn bring up the reboot to safe mode window. So from here, as you can see, there is a message: do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications that you have installed. They will be restored once or when you reboot again. And in other words, this basically disables every app that you have installed, so it cannot launch when the device starts. And this is designed so you can test if some kind of application is causing your phone problems. So if your phone is malfunctioning, you can basically boot it up into safe mode and see if the problem persists. If it does, that means that it's not due to some kind of application, it's more to the phone itself. But anyway, let's tap on OK to initiate the reboot and simply wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see here, now we're back in Android, and you can already see safe mode watermark in the bottom left corner of the display, so you are now sure that we are now in the safe mode. As you can see, things like the widgets are disabled as well, so yeah. But this is how you boot into safe mode, and to leave it, all you need to do is simply hold power key, and from there tap on restart, and this will go back to Android but in normal mode. And we're now back in normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.